Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how to join a Google Meet meeting with a link or code. If you've ever received a Google Meet link or code and thought, okay, now what? Then don't worry at all. First of all, open up your web browser on your computer and then in the URL box type in meet.google.com and search. Make sure that you're signed into your Google account in order to get to this page. Now, open up the link or the invitation that you've received for Google Meet. If someone ever sends you an invitation link for Google Meet, it usually looks something like this. You'll just need to go ahead and copy that code or simply click on it in order to join into the meeting. If you want to paste in the link, go ahead and get to the meet.google.com website and from the home screen, go to enter a code or link field and type down the code and click on join. Wait for a few seconds, allow your camera and microphone access by tapping on them and go to the right hand corner and click on join now. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can join in to any Google Meet. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can easily join in any Google Meet with a link or a code. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and drop a comment if you want a tutorial on hosting your own Google Meet next time. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.